Stop everything you are doing right now. If you're considering an Apple Watch, a Galaxy Watch, or even an older Garmin model, you need to hear this before you spend a single dollar. Garmin just dropped the Venu 4, and it is not simply an incremental update. This is the watch that finally merges the world-class fitness tracking Garmin is known for with the essential health and convenience features we've been begging for. It is the definitive everyday athlete smartwatch of the year. Stick with us, because what's inside this watch will change how you view your health. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Over the next 30 minutes, we will dissect the Venu 4 and show you the 3 new features that make it an unrivaled choice, including a medical-grade sensor that could be critical to your health, and a battery life that humiliates the competition. Let's start with the feature that gives you peace of mind. The ECG Sensor and medical-grade health. Garmin has finally brought an ECG sensor to the Venu line. This is a game changer.
Why?
Because it transforms the Venu 4 from a great fitness tracker into a medical-grade health companion. The ECG app is designed to record the electrical signals of your heart, allowing it to detect signs of atrial fibrillation, or AFib. AFib is an irregular heart rhythm that can be serious if undetected. Being able to take a 30-second reading on your wrist, at any time, provides a level of peace of mind that is simply essential in modern wearable tech. But the health advancements don't stop there. The Venu 4 introduces lifestyle logging, a new tool that lets you manually track factors like alcohol and caffeine consumption directly on the watch. It then integrates this data into your overall health picture, showing you exactly how your daily choices impact your body battery, sleep score, and crucial heart rate variability, HRV. This moves beyond passive tracking to proactive, actionable wellness coaching. A pro watch for the everyday athlete. The Venu line has always been about balancing fitness and style. The Venu 4 firmly tips the scales towards serious training. Garmin has taken some of the most powerful metrics from their pro-level watches and distilled them into this stylish package. We're talking about training readiness, a metric that uses your sleep, recovery time, stress, and HRV data to tell you whether you should push hard or take a rest day. No more guessing. And for those who train in the city or on complex routes, the Venu 4 finally adds multi-band GNSS, or dual-frequency GPS. This is a pro-level feature. It uses multiple satellite signals simultaneously to give you phenomenal accuracy, even in dense urban areas with tall buildings or deep in a canyon. Your pace, your distance, your maps, they are all now more accurate than ever before. This is the difference between a good training watch and a great one. Design, convenience, and unrivaled battery life. Let's talk about the competition. The biggest weakness of the Apple Watch and others is battery life. You have to charge them every single night. The Venu 4 laughs at that. The new model boasts up to 12 days of battery life in standard smartwatch mode. 12 days. That is uninterrupted sleep tracking, continuous health monitoring, and a seamless life without the anxiety of a dead battery. Even with the always-on display enabled, the Venu 4 can still last up to 4 days. This is the unrivaled advantage of Garmin. On the hardware side, the Venu 4 now comes with a full metal case, not just a metal bezel. This gives it a more premium,